Hello friends, Artist Rajal Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. So this time I am going to make this diamond painting, and this is the actual pic. This will be the final result. So let's get back to our de-stress mode on. So I had forgotten to tell you all that this is good for de-stress and improving your concentration, and just like mandalas. So yeah, so this comes with this beautiful pic. I guess everything is visible, and I'll just tape it down here, and these are the tools that we need. So this comes with a mini tray and this pen like thing. So this helps us to pick up that bead from the tray to the canvas. Okay, and you must be wondering what this is. So this is a kind of glue or something that I have to add in this pen, and this helps the bead to stick to the pen, and then we just apply it here like this. So this works till few times, and after that we have to just take a scoop again. So this one is from my older diamond painting kit. So also I had mentioned in that video that I got inspired from our Crazy Life Scotland. So this is the channel name, and the creator's name is Fiona, and she's a wonderful artist, and she creates many different kinds of things. And I first saw this thing in her videos only. So do go and check out her amazing channel. Oh my god, I have so many colors here. Oh my god. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, we got 15 sachets here. So let's get ready. I won't be able to complete it in a single day. So what I will do, I will complete it in stages. I will be working on this one. I guess 3 or 4 days will go. If I sit for 2-3 hours in a go, then this should be complete in 2 days. Otherwise, minimum 3 or 4 days will be enough to complete this one. So I'm just taping it down, and this is my cute washi tape. So I'll be sticking all these things in fast forward. Please bear with me. And you all must be wondering how to recognize the where to stick which bead comes to which place. So here are alphabets written for each color, and also you can see it's written on each packet. So we have to just match the alphabet or number with here. So let's start working. Also there is some number or alphabets are written here as well. So I'll be matching and working accordingly. So yeah, I have taped down, and this has a protective sheet upon this one, as this has already adhesive one. This is a adhesive already adhesive surface. So let's get started. Sorry for bad English. finally this is complete after I guess 2 weeks or more. And actually I was quite confused during this period, so I slowed down, and now it is complete, and I'm planning to add it to a canvas and decorate the borders, but that will be done after a few days. So I hope you all like it. So if you like it, please share, subscribe and press that like button. Thank you very much.